Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check whether your iPhone is real or fake in just a few seconds. So, let's get started. Method 1. Check the model number first. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then tap About. Here, you'll see all your iPhone's basic details. Look for the model number. This gives you a quick idea about the status of your iPhone. Method 2. Verify using the serial number. In the same About section, find the serial number and copy it. Next, open Safari and search for checkcoverage.apple.com. Paste the serial number into the box and tap Submit. If your iPhone is original, Apple will display details like the purchase date, warranty, or coverage status, and support information. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.